Hello, my name is B. Welcome to my safe space. Here I'll be sharing some of my original recipes, that of my mom's, and some authentic recipes that I love. I hope you enjoy it here. Today I'll be making Nigerian puff puff. So first, I have all my dry ingredients in a bowl. I am going to gradually add in some water, batch by batch. I don't want to add in the entire measurement of water all at once. I'll add a little bit, I'll mix it, add a little bit, I'll mix it until I have a consistency that look like this. If you're using the entire measurement I have on my recipe, by the time you're done adding all the water, all the quantity of water, you will have a consistency that looks exactly like this. Now I'm going to cover this and put it in a warm place in my home and let it proof. Depending on how warm your home is, it might take around 1 to 3 hours for it to proof. Once it has proven, I'm going to remove the what I use in covering it, and I'm going to mix it to remove all the excess air that I have in the batter now from proofing. And I am going to deep fry it. So I have hot oil on fire, a big pan that I've poured in hot oil and I've allowed it to heat. And I'm going to scoop the batter into the hot oil gradually. There is a bit of a technique to using your hand to scoop the batter and frying it to get the round circle shape. Because the batter is very wet, I'm going to scoop it into my palm, close my palm, and then turn my hand so that the hole between my index finger and my thumb is facing the hot oil. And then I'm going to close my hand tightly so that the batter will come out from that hole between my index finger and my thumb and free fall into the hot oil, forming a round circle shape or an oval shape. The shape doesn't have to be perfect, it doesn't have to be all the same as well. If you're unable to do this, that's also totally okay. You can use an ice cream scoop to also achieve the round circle that you usually get from puff puff. To also do it, so use an ice cream scoop to scoop it and transfer it into the hot oil. Remember to turn your puff puff so that it's all evenly golden brown on all sides, and it's just not one side that is brown and the other side golden brown and the other sides are not. And if you find out that your puff puff is not turning, like when you try to turn it to the other side it's not turning, you can use a fork to poke holes on the side that is not turning, and then turn it. You will notice that it will turn so that that side will also be golden brown. And once I have done that, I'm going to transfer it into a paper towel so that it drains out the excess oil. Puff puff is perfect by itself or with a chill drink, but I like eating my puff puff with a meat sauce, a meat pepper sauce, or just pepper sauce by itself, or fried fish. But again, puff puff is perfect by itself. If you have a bit of a sweet tooth, you can toss it in sugar. As soon as it's coming out from the hot oil, you can dust powdered sugar on it. You can eat it with chocolate sauce, caramel sauce, whatever you like. Basically, you can eat puff puff with it. If you have any question regarding this recipe, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below and I'll get back to you, and as soon as I can. You can also check out my other videos as well on my YouTube channel, or you can also check my recipes that I have on my website, withlovepower.com. Thank you again for watching and have a good day. Bye.